Hi there, it's time for another session of watching the traffic go by. And today is a rather nasty day of watching the traffic because it's raining. I think it's also cold, but it's definitely raining. There was a vehicle just a moment ago. It was in the right-hand lane going northbound and got into a puddle and really splashed. There it is. There's one. See? Yeah. And there's southbound traffic. See, they're splashing in the puddles there in that right lane. Now, in weather like this, you really have to need to be out here because it's really, really bad out here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Looks like a stalled truck. Look at that. I just noticed it. Look at that. See, here's the CityLink bus. And look at that. Look at that. There's a Glazer and Ebb CityLink bus, and they're all, look at this. Look at this. See, now, did he just letting people off it there? No. Okay. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Look at that with a stalled truck right there. And he's holding up traffic. Oh, there he is. He's backing up, it looks like. Look at that. Where's that truck? What is he backing up, it looks like? Yeah. See, even the southbound traffic is stopped also. There's one big truck. Okay. Is he cleared? I think he cleared. See, this is really bad weather to come out here. You know. And look at this. Somebody's making a left-hand turn. And the funny thing is that... Oh, look at this. Wait a minute, you crazy. Oh, did you see that? He just said, well, no one's moving, so I'll just make my turn from the turn lane, which, okay, I understand that. But we still had traffic going northbound. Wow. See, and everybody, see what's now the people going southbound. They're really going through it. and the people going northbound are taking it easy. Which, look at that. Oh gosh. Oh, there's another one. They're just racing southbound. Look at that. There's that puddle. I think the puddle's right there. And you wait till somebody goes in that right-hand lane. There he goes. There's a splash. Yeah, splash all you want. Make sure there's no pedestrian on the sidewalk as you're splashing by, you know. See, now traffic has sort of gone back to look at this rain. Actually, it's been raining for the past, I'd say about 2 hours. And, yeah. See, whoa. It's stopping again. See, it's stopping again. Now you see, got one person want to make a left-hand turn. Now, why is it slowing up northbound? Well, I mean, you're really supposed to drive slower in the rain. I mean, that's a given, I'd say. I mean, when traffic conditions, weather conditions are not this great, you all should slow down, especially on rain-soaked roads, because there's the danger of hydroplaning. You know, see, there's danger of hydroplaning. Whoop, there's 2 trucks doing a bit of a splash. There's another truck splash. There's another truck. Give a splash. Yeah. There's another one splashing. Yeah, another one splash. Hey, let's splash the sidewalk. Hey, let's water the grass. You know, this way the grass can get greener. Up, here comes somebody about to leave. Over there. Oh no. See, he got splashed. Oh, there's the splash right here. Oh, there's another one. See, they're splashing over here. Oh, great. Now they're not close by anymore. Come on, give a splash. We want to see splashes now. Oh, that was weak. There's a splash. There you go. All right, that person turned already. All right. Looks like he wants to make a left turn, waiting for the southbound traffic to clear. Oh, wow. There. Well, what's he doing? Oh! Damn, he changed his mind. Look at that. Oh, gosh. It's a wet, splashy day. More splashing. Here's the spot. There's your city link. There it goes. Some more splashing. Look at that. Look at all that splashing. Wow, that's a splash side right there. Now, oh, look at that splash. Let's try. Oh, let's see another one. Oh, yeah. Water that grass, sir. That's a good idea. Oh, look at that splash. See the grass needs water. Oh, here comes a truck. And look at that truck doing some watering of the grass. And another watering. It's a shame there's no grass up to the sidewalk. So you got, and it's like all that water's being wasted. You know, you want to water the grass. You know. I know, when I was younger, that's what I used to do. I mean, I'd go right where a puddle was, and I'd just barrel my car right through it. As long as there was no pedestrians, you know. I mean, what harm could it do, right? And so that's what we got. It's interesting. There's still a lot of people out here, even in weather like this. Oh, look at this. It's slowing down southbound. Oh, yeah, it's coming to a stop. Ooh, that's a nice blue truck. Look at that. Nice blue truck. It's a shame they eat up a lot of gas. So I'd go for it. You know. See, they're all slow. Well, they're speeding up again. They still got that construction down there. So, anyway, that's about all that looks like there's going to be. So, thanks for watching. Oh, look at this. Whoa, look at that splash. Oh, and another one. Yeah, I guess we could keep going, right? Look at that splash. Oh, yeah. All right, well, how you doing, guys? There's a late how you doing. So, I apologize for that. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you soon. Okay, take care.